Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: an active Xfinity account, a compatible Esim device, and the My Account app updated. Sign into the Xfinity My Account app with your credentials. This authenticates your profile so the system can generate an Esim. Once signed in, navigate to the Mobile or Devices section. Make sure cellular service is listed. Tap Manage or Add Device to start the Esim provisioning flow. This first step tells Xfinity which line and device will receive. Once in the right device or plan screen, choose the option to activate or transfer to Esim. This prompts Xfinity to prepare an Esim profile. Confirm the exact phone number and device model shown. Mismatches cause failures, then accept terms and any carrier settings prompts. The app will either display a QR code or send an activation link. If a QR appears, keep the phone showing it. If it sends a link, open it on the target device. This middle step creates the actual Esim credentials. On the target device, go to Settings Cellular or Mobile, Add Cellular Plan, then scan the Xfinity QR code shown in the app. Follow on-screen labels to name the line and set primary/secondary preferences. Once installed, restart the phone, then verify signal, mobile data, and correct number in settings. If activation stalls, retry scanning, request a new QR from the app, or contact Xfinity Chat. Make sure Wi-Fi is off during final activation so the SIM can register on the network.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.